what criteria do you use when creating your watch list? So to give you again some of that ASFX language, I'm using our TDI, which is an indicator on the chart, specifically the liquid 50, to determine the trend that I'm looking to trade that day. Once I find the direction or find a liquid 50 that I like and it's very clean, either long or short, then I look to match up the EMAs, the exponential moving averages we talked about. I look to match that direction with the TDI. If those two things match up, then I have some pretty strong trend. Then I'm going to look to see, do we have space on average daily range? Meaning, on an average day, is there still space for this to move if this was to be an average day? So if it's already moved 60 pips, but ADR is 120, great, there's 60 pips left to move. That's how I'll create my watch list. And if you just ask yourself a couple of questions to your system, or if you're using ASFX, you use those 3 questions, you're going to narrow your list down instantly. Look for perfect liquid 50s, look for perfect EMAs. You're going to find like 3 of those a day, maybe. You know what I'm saying? So when you're being picky, you'll get a slim watch list. People see me all the time. They're like, how do you trade all those pairs? I'm like, I don't. I click through them, and as soon as I don't like it, I take it off and I don't look at it the rest of the day.